Did you know that prayer is a legal necessity? That God is not able to do things on the earth unless somebody prays. John Wesley, who was a famous minister in the 1800s, he said, "It seems that God is limited by our prayer life, that he can do nothing for humanity unless someone asks him." Wow, why do you think that is? Well, if we go back to Genesis chapter 1, we see that when God made Adam, he gave him dominion over all the animals, over everything in the earth. He gave him authority on the earth. But Adam, he committed high treason and he sold out to the devil, and the devil became the god of this world. And we see in Luke chapter 4, when the devil was tempting Jesus, he said, "Bow down and worship me, and I will give you all these kingdoms." And it was a true temptation because the devil did have authority over all the kingdoms of the world. But when Jesus went to the cross and he redeemed us, he bought back our authority and gave us authority. And it says in Matthew 28:18, "All authority has been given unto me in heaven and in earth." And then he immediately delegated his authority to us. He said, "Go, therefore, and make disciples." And so he bought back the authority. Now, when we pray, we are allowing God permission to move in the earth. We can say, "God, I ask you that you would move in the earth. I pray that you would send out missionaries." And he said for us to pray those things. In Matthew chapter 9, verse 38, he said, "Pray the Lord of the harvest that he would send forth workers into the fields." And you think, well, why can't he just send them? Why does he have to have us pray in order for him to send laborers? Because of the legal necessity. God cannot just override humans' authority, nor can the devil just come in and do anything he wants. Humans have to give them permission. So when we pray, we say, "God, I'm asking you to move in the earth. I'm asking you to touch my family members. I'm asking you to heal so-and-so. I'm asking you to move in our church. I'm asking you to bring freedom to our country. I'm asking." And when we ask, God has a legal right to move in this earth. So that encourages me, makes me want to pray some more so that God has much more freedom to move in the earth.